Thank you for visiting the Waterkotte website and our Methamphetamine Drug Charges Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with methamphetamine drug charges in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your methamphetamine drug charge contact one of our Missouri Methamphetamine Drug Charges defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Let's discuss hiring our methamphetamine drug charges defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Methamphetamine Drug Charges Defense Lawyers in Missouri. If you have been arrested on or are facing methamphetamine charges, you will need the help of drug charges lawyer in Missouri who has experience with drug charges such as possession and distribution. Waterkotte is here to help you fight Missouri's notoriously harsh drug laws. We understand that good people can make poor decisions and find themselves at the wrong place at the wrong time, and want to help you get a positive outcome for your case. Methamphetamine laws in Missouri. Missouri has stringent laws regarding methamphetamine, and Missouri courts prosecute these cases fiercely. Protect your rights and freedom with Waterkotte. Contact one of our criminal defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP for a confidential consultation. Some of the methamphetamine charges our Missouri drug crimes lawyers take on include possession of methamphetamine, RSMO Section 579.015. In Missouri, it is illegal to possess methamphetamine. The severity of the charge can vary depending on the amount in possession. Possession of a controlled substance is generally a Class D felony, but penalties can increase with larger amounts or other aggravating factors. Manufacturing methamphetamine, ARSMO, Section 579.055. Manufacturing methamphetamine is a serious offense in Missouri. This includes producing, preparing, propagating, compounding, or processing methamphetamine, either directly or indirectly by extraction from substances of natural origin, or independently by means of chemical synthesis. This crime is often charged as a Class B or C felony, depending on the circumstances. Distribution, delivery, or sale of methamphetamine, RSMO Section 579.020. It is illegal to distribute, deliver, or sell methamphetamine in Missouri. These offenses are generally treated as Class B or C felonies, with the severity depending on the amount of the drug involved and other factors like distribution near schools. Drug trafficking, RSMO Section 579.065 and Section 579.068. Missouri has specific statutes for drug trafficking, which can apply to large-scale operations involving methamphetamine. These laws cover the distribution, delivery, manufacture, or production of substantial quantities of controlled substances, including methamphetamine. The penalties for drug trafficking are particularly severe and can include lengthy prison sentences. Possession of chemicals with intent to manufacture. Methamphetamine, RSMO Section 579.110. Possession of certain chemicals with the intent to manufacture methamphetamine is also illegal in Missouri. The law also targets those possessing precursor chemicals commonly used in the production of methamphetamine. Child endangerment, RSMO Section 568.045. If methamphetamine production or use occurs in the presence of a child, or if a child resides in a place where such activities are conducted, additional charges of child endangerment may be applied. Drug paraphernalia, RSMO Section 579.074. Possession of drug paraphernalia related to methamphetamine use or production is also prohibited and can result in additional charges. Penalties for these offenses can range from fines to imprisonment, and the severity often depends on the quantity of the drug, prior offenses, and other circumstances like the involvement of minors. If you are accused of any of the above crimes or any others related to drugs and methamphetamines, call the criminal defense lawyers of Waterkotte for a free consultation. What Waterkotte's Missouri Methamphetamine Drug Charges lawyers can do for you. The decision to hire the right Missouri criminal defense attorney is potentially one of the most important decisions you will make in your life. We understand the nature of your situation and want to help you fight for your future and freedom. Our philosophy is to stand by our clients, no matter their circumstances. We believe that everyone has the right to have access to the best possible defense and the best Missouri meth charges lawyer. We promise to fight hard to improve the probability of a positive outcome to your case. Here's why you should choose Waterkotte for your methamphetamine charges defense. Successful track record in defending methamphetamine charges. Expertise in handling complex methamphetamine cases. Custom defense strategies for individual cases. Analysis of prosecution evidence for stronger defense. Tireless negotiation for favorable plea bargains. Skilled in jury trial criminal defense strategies. Dedicated support and communication throughout legal proceedings. Committed to protecting rights, freedoms, and future. Missouri drug courts and methamphetamine charges. Missouri drug courts offer an alternative approach for individuals facing methamphetamine charges and other drug-related offenses. These specialized courts are designed to divert nonviolent drug offenders away from traditional prosecution and toward treatment programs aimed at addressing the root causes of their substance abuse. Having an experienced Missouri methamphetamine charges lawyer on your side is essential when navigating the process of entering a Missouri drug court program. Your attorney can advocate on your behalf, helping you gain admission to the program and ensuring that you meet the necessary requirements. They will also work to negotiate favorable terms for your participation, aiming for a successful completion that leads to a brighter future. Without incarceration. Defenses against methamphetamine charges in Missouri. When facing methamphetamine charges in Missouri, it's essential to explore potential defenses that can be employed to challenge the accusations. A skilled methamphetamine charges lawyer can investigate your case thoroughly and develop effective strategies to protect your rights. Here are some common defenses that can be used. Illegal search and seizure. If law enforcement violated your Fourth Amendment rights by conducting an unlawful search or seizure, evidence obtained during that search may be suppressed in court. Lack of possession. To be convicted of methamphetamine possession, the prosecution must prove that you had knowledge of and control over the drugs. Your attorney may argue that you did not have actual possession or knowledge of the methamphetamine. Unlawful arrest. If your arrest was conducted without proper legal justification, your lawyer can challenge the arrest itself, potentially leading to the dismissal of charges. Chain of custody issues. The prosecution must establish the proper chain of custody for any evidence, including the seized methamphetamine. Discrepancies or breaks in this chain can cast doubt on the reliability of the evidence. Substance testing errors. Methamphetamine cases often involve chemical analysis of substances alleged to be drugs. Your attorney can challenge the accuracy and reliability of these tests, potentially leading to doubts about the substance's identity. Contact a methamphetamine drug charges attorney in Missouri today. If you have been charged with a methamphetamine-related crime in Missouri, it is imperative you call a reputable criminal defense law firm. Combs Waterkotte is ready to help you retain your rights and freedoms and put a harrowing situation behind you. Contact us online or call us at 314-900-HELP today to schedule a free, no-obligation, confidential consultation.